So what I'm going to teach you today is reverse cross arm Brent stole. That's right. Reverse cross arm Brent stole. Now don't panic because this isn't really that hard of a trick because I learned it in like 2 seconds, so don't freak out or anything. Tricks I suggest that you know before you even attempt this. Regular Brent stole for sure. You want to know how to do a reverse hook too. So I switched to my room because there was too much activity in the library. But anyway, tricks you want to know. You want to obviously know how to do a regular Brent stole, reverse hook, and you want to know how to do this little reverse slack trapeze thingy. And of course, you want to know how to do your horizontal double hop finger grind. I'm just kidding, you don't actually have to know that. So once you know how to do that, it's really not that hard. You definitely want your string tension to be right for this move to be as easy as possible. First, start out like this. Do your little reverse slack trapeze thingy, and when it gets to here, you want to take this string and put it underneath the yo-yo like that. So like you want to take it, push it against that slack, and bring it up behind the yo-yo like that, so then there's a loop. And then you can just guide it, and you'll be in a reverse GT. So yeah, practice that thing where you swing the slack over, guide the string behind the yo-yo, and get into this reverse GT. So like, the point of that is just to basically get, like, to understand what's happening when you do this trick. Because once you can do it in one fluid motion, like sort of like that, then it really helps you understand what's actually happening when you do it. So basically, what you want to do from there, you want to take the step from the reverse hook where you swing it around like that. You want to take it, you're basically starting exactly like this, but instead of whipping it over, you're going to sort of whip the whole thing over like that. When you whip the whole thing over, catch the string. When you catch the string, you want to make sure that you take the throw hand middle finger and move it underneath the yo-yo like that, so that there's a loop formed here, so that there's a twist in the string. That's crucial. You can't just swing it around and do it. You have to put it in front of the yo-yo so that there's a twist. Then after that, you just want to sort of experiment, try to land it until you get it, and then once you get it, you just want to refine it and make it smoother until you get something like that. As you get it smoother and you keep practicing, you're going to want to stop grabbing it with all of your hand and start to get used to grabbing it with just your index finger. Because when you catch it with all your fingers, the green triangle kind of looks weird. So you just want to get it to the point where you can catch it just with one finger and it looks more like a Brent stole kind of shape. Same as when you were learning a regular Brent stole. And when you get into the shape, when you get into the GT, you want to pop it out the front. And really, that's just about it. I mean, it's really just one of those kind of monkey see, monkey do kind of tricks. You just sort of have to experiment with it. There's not a lot of tips I can give you on it, but I can just sort of guide you along and give you the fundamentals of it, and then you sort of take over from there. It's really just one of those kinds of, you see it and you kind of just have to mimic what the other person's doing. That's how I learned it. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you learn it because it's a really cool trick. I like it a lot. So, until next time, I will see you later.